And hell, I don't mind being poor. Well, I'm with you, I pity all the kings of the world. Times are getting hard, good is getting rare. Me and you and the babies are there all the time, I swear. We don't mind the shit folks talk, we just keep our eyes locked. They can watch us chase those dreams never even dared. We've got time, dear. You're the girl I'll be back with. Don't you love me? I'm the boy who's always been in love with you till the end. And I do it all again. Do it all again. You're the girl I knew back then. Don't you love me? I'm the boy who's always been. We've got time, yeah. You're the girl I knew back then. Don't you love me? I'm the boy who's always been in love with you till the end. And I do it all again. Do it all again. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a song from a gentleman called Charles Wesley Godwin, and the song's called All Again. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the first fret puts us into the same key that Charles Wesley Godwin performs this song in. Right then boys and girls, let me hopefully show you what I was doing for this song. So the introduction is basically E minor, C, G and D. Right. The first time you play it through, it's very stabby. It's like, and you mute it, back edge of your hand, or you do 2 stabs and then you sort of kill it. Okay. And then you do an up and down. So it's, so you don't let it ring. It's not like there's a definite dampening after you've done the 2 stabs, yeah? So you kill it, okay? And then you do up and down, and then you do the same thing on the C chord. So 2 stabs on the C, kill it, damp the strings, and then up, down, okay? And then kill it again, so then you do 2 stabs on the G, and then you do this little riff, open A string, hammer up to the 2nd fret, and then the D string open. So now you've got that. I'll do it real slowly. Okay, then a single stroke on the D chord. Okay, so it's as far as we've got. I'll slow it right down. Right, and the final bit for the first one is this. Right, you slide up second fret of the on the D, that second first finger on the second fret on the third string. You open up the second string, just that, and you slide that up to the 4th fret. Just the third string and the second string will do. Okay, so you got. That sort of thing. Then you repeat it. And then the singing comes in on that D. Okay, so it's whole intro. I watch you walking across the floor. Right, got it? And that last on the second D, you come in on the vocals. I watch you walking across the floor. And it's the same chord sequence. E minor for the verse, C, G, D, all the way through the verse. Okay? So let's do the intro and the first verse slowly. Okay? I watch you walking across the floor. I've been missing more and more. The beating of my heart shakes the freeing in my chest. I'm falling over, and hell, I don't mind being poor. When I'm with you, I pity you, the king of the world. And then you 2 lots of D, okay, on that. With my big pity, you old kings of the world. And then we're into another verse, exactly the same chord sequence, E minor, C, G, D. Times are getting hard, good and gentle red. Me and you and the babies have all the time, I swear. We don't mind sitting at all, we can keep it our eyes on. They can watch us chase the dreams of never leaving day. 4 lots of D on the end of that second verse, okay? So, they can watch us chase the dreams they never leaving day. Okay? So, then we go into the chorus, okay? And the chorus is, so it's like, they can watch us chase. We've got time. Right, so the chorus is E minor, and it stays, it's long, it's twice as long. And it's like, we've got G, time, back to E minor, you're the D, girl I knew back when. C add 9, okay, new chord there. So basically it's that shape I'm playing. 5 down to 1, I'm not playing the bottom E string, okay. So that's first finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string from the capo, and 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd string from the capo. C add 9. Okay, so you got we've got time, dear. You're the girl I knew back when. Okay, E minor. E minor again, got G, time, D, E minor, you're the D, girl I knew, C add 9, repeat, E minor, don't you G, love dear, E minor, I'm D, boys always C at 9. Stay on that. In love with D, you went back to C at 9. And then so we got time, dear. You're the girl I knew back then. Don't you love me? I'm the boy who's been in love with you till the end. 2 lots of C, 3 lots of C. Stop. Okay, and there goes without any accompaniment, and I do it all, and then you do the intro again, yeah. Except when you do it this time, it's slightly different. Is when you do this the E minor. This is strumming now. I'm not muting it. Okay. When you do the C, you do that. So you do the C once, and then you do a second time. You hammer into that. Open up this 4th string, hammer into the 2nd fret. So it's. Then you do the G. And do that. Open 2nd string again, 5th string rather, to the 2nd fret. Open 4th. So it's. And then you do that slidey bit again. So it's coming out of that. I'm the boy's been in love with you till the end, and I do it all again. All again. Do that 4 times basically, okay? So but the boy's always been in love with you till the end, and I do it all again. All again. Going into this instrumental bit, okay, and it's A minor to G to A minor to E minor, back to A minor, G, A minor, D, and then it goes back into the chorus again. We've got time, you're the girl I knew back then. Don't you love me? I'm the boy you always been. Repeat the chorus. We've got time, dear. You're the girl I knew back then. Then last time, don't you love me? And the boy's always been. Last bit on the end. In love with D, work to C and I. Stop, and I do it all again. All again. Again. All again. And that's how it finishes. It just does that intro sequence about 3 times, and on the 4th time it just goes, finish on the G. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's my take on the song from All Again from Charles Wesley Godwin. Okay, hopefully that made sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.